The surprising benefits of adding chia seeds to your diet. Chia seeds have gained significant attention in recent years due to their impressive nutritional profile and numerous health benefits. But most people still underestimate them. These tiny seeds are not hype. They are legit. Packed with fiber, omega-3s, protein, calcium, magnesium, antioxidants, and more. Let us talk digestion first. 1 ounce of chia seeds delivers around 10 grams of fiber. That is a huge deal, considering most people do not even hit half their daily fiber target. The type of fiber in chia is soluble, which means it turns into a gel when mixed with liquid. Inside your gut, that gel slows digestion and keeps things moving smoothly. It supports regular bowel movements and helps feed your gut bacteria. Which means chia does not just help you feel less bloated, it actually improves your microbiome health over time. And because it digests slowly, it keeps you feeling full longer. That fullness matters. If you are trying to manage weight, chia is a silent helper. The combination of fiber, protein, and fat fills you up and keeps you satisfied. Fewer cravings, fewer snacks, more control. Now let us talk blood sugar. That same gel-forming action slows the absorption of carbohydrates, which means no wild spikes or crashes. If you get sluggish an hour after meals or struggle with sugar highs and lows, chia seeds can help flatten that curve. Studies show chia can improve insulin sensitivity and help maintain healthy glucose levels over time. That is huge for energy, focus, and long-term metabolic health. Subscribe for more natural tips to supercharge your health. Let us get into omega-3s. Most people think of fish when they hear omega-3. But chia seeds are actually one of the richest plant-based sources of LA, which is a form of omega-3 that supports heart and brain health. ALA helps reduce inflammation and may support better cholesterol balance. Adding chia to your routine is a simple way to support cardiovascular function without needing supplements. It is not just your heart that benefits. Chia is also great for your bones. It contains calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus all in one. 1 ounce of chia gives you about 18% of your daily calcium needs. Perfect if you do not do dairy or are looking for better bone support from plants. The magnesium helps your muscles and nerves function properly too, while phosphorus supports energy production and bone repair. This seed does a lot for such a small size. It is also one of the rare plant-based complete protein sources, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot make on its own. That is rare for plants and makes chia great for people on vegan or vegetarian diets. Protein is key for maintaining muscle, managing hunger, and recovering from physical activity. And it is all there in 1 tablespoon of chia. Let us not skip antioxidants. Chia seeds contain flavonoids and other compounds that help fight free radicals. This means less damage from stress, poor sleep, and pollution. Antioxidants are your internal cleanup crew. They support your skin, immunity, and long-term health, all from one simple whole food. Now let us talk ease. Chia seeds are ridiculously versatile. They take no prep, no cooking, no mess. Toss them into your oatmeal. Stir into your smoothie. Mix with yogurt or pancake batter. You can even add them to salad dressing or soups. Or make chia pudding by combining them with almond milk and fruit. They do not taste like much, which is a good thing. They blend in and take on the flavor of whatever you mix them with. 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is all you need. That is enough to boost your fiber intake, increase protein, and support energy without overloading your system. Just make sure to drink water with them. They need hydration to work their magic in your gut. You do not need to go on a new diet. You do not need to follow a complicated meal plan. Just start with one thing that actually works. Chia seeds support your body from the inside out. Digestive balance, blood sugar control, heart support, brain clarity, bone strength, and all from one easy food you can find in every store. Real health is about small choices that stick, and chia seeds are one of the easiest, most effective ones you can make. How are you adding chia seeds into your meals right now? Share your favorite combos or recipes in the comments below.